Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create a hot air balloon. So let's start. We require sheet, marker and some oil pastels. Okay, to start with it, what we'll do is on the center of the sheet we will create a shape of an oval. Not exactly an oval and not exactly a circle. So it will not be a proper circle. So what we'll do is we'll just create a shape like this. So what I have done is I have just created a shape and we will join it with a little curve. Okay, we'll just join it with a little curve. We'll make one more line here and we will make some lines. Now what we'll do is I'll just make a line here. Something went wrong with my marker. Okay, then I'll make one more line. In the same curvy way we have to create these lines. I have a line here and I have a line here. Right, now what we will do is I'll create one more line over here. Now what we will do is I will make one line like this, one line like this, one goes up, one goes down. Okay, we can also make a curvy line, but I'm not making a curvy line. I'm just making, I'll just join this line and here. Okay, this is what we will be doing it. Here, this side, again this side, this side. So basically we will be making this shape. We can always make a curvy line also, but we are not doing that. So we have created a pattern in it. Now what we will do is we will make some threads which are joining it, but before that we'll make a line. Okay, this is a curve below it. Now we will be making some lines to hold the basket. Okay, now we will create a basket here. Why I am showing this part? This is the bottom part. When something is above the eye level, we see the bottom part of it. Okay, so that is very important. I will also teach you a lot of things related to perspective and all. We'll do that. And here we can just show somebody's head peeping. So it's just the head looking the other side. Okay. Now what we will do is we will make some clouds. It's a very basic drawing. We can make some clouds. We can use different colors. We have to make our hot air very bright and beautiful. Okay, this is what we have to keep in mind. So here are a few clouds from the, so it's a complete composition. It's a scene from the sky and it's too on a high, that's why we cannot see the land other side. Okay, so it's just a sea from the sky. So we'll be doing oil pastels. So get ready with your oil pastels and we'll start the colors. and our coloring is finished. Now let me remove this tape and show you how it is looking. You will let me know how it is looking. No need to use the tape. I am just using it because I have to do that, otherwise it keeps moving from the surface, so that's why I have to use the tape. Not compulsory for you to use the tape. And a beautiful hot air balloon is ready. So in very few simple steps we can create such beautiful artworks. Hope you enjoyed making it with me. Do share it with me, and of course if you still have not subscribed the channel, do that. Just enjoy. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.